Sri Ravishankar Prasad ji, Sri D.R. Karthikeyan ji, ब्रह्मा कुमारी सिस्टर श्री मृत्युंजय जी और अन्य सदस्यों, बहनों और भाइयों, ब्रह्मा कुमारी आध्यात्मिक सिख और संस्था के भूतपूर्व प्रमुख राजयोगिनी दादी जानकी जी का पावन स्मृति में विशेष डाक टिकट जारी करने का सुयोग पाकर बहुत प्रसन्नता का अनुभव कर रहा हूँ। And I would like to first of all compliment the postal department, the minister, secretary, and the other officials who are concerned for taking up this noble cause to get a stamp issued in memory of a great soul of India. Dadi Janaki, who left us a year ago at the age of 104, one of the foremost spiritual leaders of contemporary times. I had the good fortune of meeting the Revered Dadi, as also being blessed by her on my visit to Santivan campus of Brahma Kumaris in 2019. It's a befitting tribute that the Ministry of Communications, Government of India, is releasing this postal stamp to mark the first anniversary of an extraordinary spiritual teacher of our country. We should draw inspiration from Daji's life, which was devoted to God and to selfless service of humanity. The world needs more healing voices like Dadi Janaki ji, who, cutting through the dogmas and rituals of all religions, firmly believed in the essence of one God. Her teachings centered on Raja Yoga, her virtues of kindness, seva, and simplicity and compassion. They are all indeed worthy of emulation by all. Everyone should take a clue from Dadi Janaki ji and, following in her footsteps, fight social evils like gender discrimination, casteism, and communalism to build a better India where everyone has equal opportunities and lives in complete harmony with others. Whenever one meets Dadi ji, one felt peace radiating from her ever-smiling and peaceful face. She was an embodiment of calm and composure, who till the very end always practiced what she preached. The Brahma Kumaris spread across the world are a living example of the values and the principles epitomized by Dadi's life. What makes Brahma Kumari is also special that the organization is led by a woman, demonstrating the fact that spiritual attainments transcend gender-based distinction. This worldwide movement has been an exemplary champion of the empowerment and independence of women. My dear sisters and brothers, it is worth realizing and recalling that India has a rich history of women leaders in every field. Even in Vedic times, we had renewed philosophers like Gargi and Maitreyi, whose fame travelled far and wide on account of their mastery over complex metaphysical issues. We must remember that in ancient India, the divine feminine was worshipped in the form of Shakti. Over centuries, there has been a decline in our values as reflected in widespread discrimination against women in certain sectors of the society. This needs to be changed. Society needs to be educated on equal rights, equal respect to women in every field of activity, not merely in letter, but in spirit as well. the Government of India has initiated a host of programs to ensure equal opportunity to the girl child. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana, among many others. My dear friends, spirituality is the basis of all religions, and the same spiritual threads bind them together. People need to understand that only spiritual knowledge can ensure true peace, unity, and harmony in the world. Indian civilization values of share and care and Vasudeika Kutumbakam, the world is one family, or the pathway to lasting world peace. खुद से अपने अस्तित्व के बारे में सवाल करना जीवन का व्यापक उद्देश्य ढूंढना और उनका समाधान खोजना यही आध्यात्म है। आध्यात्म खुद से ही खुद का विमर्श है। यह जीवन और समाज के प्रति स्थिर सामंजस्य विकसित करता है। व्यक्ति अपने सामाजिक और प्राकृतिक परिवेश की प्रति एकात्म सौहार्द विकसित कर पाता है। ऐसी स्थिति में हम समाज के लिए सकारात्मक योगदान कर सकते हैं। आज के व्यक्तिवाद जीवन में अपने सामाजिक या प्राकृतिक परिवेश से हमारा संघर्ष की संभावनाएं बढ़ गई है। मुझे संतोष है कि ब्रह्म कुमारी जैसी संस्था ने समाज की ऐसी विकृति को दूर कर रही है, ऐसी विकृतियों को दूर कर रही है। सहज और सरल भाषा में हमारी आशंकाओं का समाधान कर रही है, अपने सवालों का समाधान निकालने में हमारा मदद कर रही है, जिससे हमारे जीवन में रचनात्मक शांति और समाज में सौहार्द पैदा होता है। ब्रह्म कुमारी आंदोलन ने सचमुच गार्गी और मैत्री परंपरा को पुनर्जीवित किया है, अपने आहत मानवता को आध्यात्मिक प्रकाशित मार्ग दिखाया है, जिसके लिए समाज आपका आभारी रहेगी। I really feel happy whenever I see the people working in this movement, and even when I went there in Santivan and then had interaction with the Brahma Kumari on a number of occasions, I really felt happy, and I feel that this is a change that should come, and that too led by women. And then working for the peace and progress and enlightenment of people, that is what is required. And movements like Brahma Kumaris, they need to be strengthened, they need to be spread, and they need to be taken to the nook and corner of the world, so that we will have everlasting peace. Not only peace in the society, but peace in the mind also. Dadi Janaki Ji's philosophy of taking joy in serving others is the mantra for a happy and satisfying life. Serving others is the most satisfying thing in anybody's life. Currently, the whole world is going through a global health crisis and multiple attendant problems in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. I would request everyone to help and support the needy and alleviate their suffering during this critical phase of our lives. राजयोगिनी दादी जानकी जी के द्वारा मानवता की निस्वार्थ सेवा की पावन स्मृति में भारत सरकार के संचार मंत्रालय द्वारा मुद्रित 5 रुपए का डाक टिकट को जारी करते हुए मुझे विशेष प्रसन्नता और संतोष हो रहा है। Ravi ji, your postal department, of course, maintains a low profile and they connect with the people. Jamin se jude hai, undoubted. But at the same time, your communication ministry is high flying and always flying also. So you had both. My best wishes to you and to your department. And I'm really happy today that we heard the introductory speech about Dadi Janaki ji by Sri Karthikeyan ji, who is associated with that movement for years together. And also, I was really feeling very happy that my friend, colleague, Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad ji, has explained in detail भारतीयता, भारतीय संस्कृति, भारतीय जीवन पद्धति. उन्होंने बहुत aptly describe किया है. I feel really happy and I hope that everyone understands these messages and take them forward. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.